In this world, there's a lot of liars and snakes. And sometimes you gotta figure out the real ones from the fake ones. But sometimes that can get difficult. But everything that's in the dark will come to light. Yeah, check it, yo.
In a world that's filled with liars and snakes, it's hard to tell who's real and who's fake. That's why you can't lose faith. If you got a job and it's easy, man, we call that cake. You got a promotion, well that's good news, I call that great. Our hoard is little, but our hearts are great. Smiling, we smile, the lords of many lands. Frowning, we smile, the lords of our own hands. For man is man and master of his fate. They are too near to be great, but our children shall understand when and how our fate was changed and by whose hand. Niggas quick to lay with a chick just to fuck around. But if she come out pregnant, dog, he won't stick around. Yes, he's the sucker now. But if he was to ask me, a nigga quick to fucking suck it free. So stay away from all the fuckery. Y'all women should be sucker free. This life will take you on an emotional roller coaster as you post selfies and post proposals. But hold up, it's not over. Listen, my music is guidance. I'm close to God, but don't call me your highness. They cannot divide us and silence us without having riots or invading our privacy and telling us it's for security. Word, fuck that. You the resistance.